Welcome to ExamWire, your one-stop shop for all exam updates. I'm Sanjeev, and in this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to download your TNTET 2025 hall ticket. We've got two super easy methods. Follow along with the screen recording and you'll have your admit card in minutes. Let's dive in. Method 1. Download from the official TRB website. Step 1. Open your browser and visit trb.tn.gov.in. Step 2. On the home page, look at the left sidebar and click the Hall Ticket Download tab. Step 3. Enter your user ID and password, the same ones you used during registration. Step 4. Once logged in, go to your dashboard and select TNTET 2025 Admit Card. Step 5. Click Download, save the PDF, and print 2 to 3 copies for safety. Done. Method 2. Download using our direct link on examwire.in. Perfect if you want to skip the official site navigation. Step 1. Open examwire.in in your browser. Step 2. Use the search bar and type TNTET Admit Card. Step 3. Open the first article that appears. Step 4. Scroll down and click the direct download link. Step 5. Enter your user ID and password from registration. Step 6. Head to the dashboard, select TNTET 2025 Admit Card, download, and print your copies. That's it. Pro tip, keep your user ID and password handy and download your hall ticket at least a week before the exam to avoid last-minute stress. Check all details, name, photo, exam center, and report any errors immediately to TRB. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to ExamWire, and tap the bell icon for instant updates on TNTET, results, answer keys, and more. Drop a comment below if you faced any issues. We'll reply fast. Thanks for watching ExamWire. Stay prepared, stay ahead. See you in the next video.